Jagoro mongirore migao mar piny owacho mabendo chung'ne rieyo timbo ganda Mary Mudhoni owacho mondo otem yore mamoko mag yalo buche mopogore kod tweyo jomoketho chike matindo. Mae owacho ni dhi duoko chien dhuruok mantiere e kuonde twech mapachoka. Mudhoni manolimo kar twech ma Kisii Men kod Women owacho ni mendi en okang' ma piny owacho kaw mar duoko chien jomantiere ute twech mondo dong' mana jomoketho chike madongo. Kuom mano chenrono ochakore e kaunti ma Laikipia kuma ne owe thuolo jotwech 170 ka bende ibiro we thuolo joma otwe ma higni tinne 35 to oketho chike matindo.
One of the programs that we are running across the country equally, and we will also bring to Kisii, is the decongestion program, which we are running through the community service orders. We are working very closely with the judiciary. Whenever we go to a prison, the judiciary will be able to review the cases of the petty offenses. And when I talk about petty offenses, these are people who are no longer a risk to the community. And once they are reviewed, they are released. Last week, we were in Laikipia County, in Marmanet, where we released about 170 offenders. And these offenders were released to do community work. Basically, they'll still be on sentence, but they will be helping the community in many ways. And we planted around 100,000 seedlings from our own seedbeds, the prison, from the prisons. So it is a good way of engaging the offenders. It's an alternative way of sentencing. It's an alternative way of solving an issue.
Piny owacho mamalo osingo mar keto lowo maromo